Hello and welcome to Yesterday's Airlines. Time for a quick video today looking at one of my favourite brands, 3D Design Deck. And if you've been watching my videos, you've seen that I recently did a Beech 1900D video of 3D Design Deck's new models, and they were tiny, but even smaller are 3D Design Deck's new fighter jets. And I've picked up a couple of F-18 Hornets, and that's what we'll be taking a quick look at in today's video. So stay tuned for a closer look at these lovely little fighters in 400 scale. But before we get there, as always, don't forget, chuck a like on the video if you enjoy the content and subscribe to the channel, because there's always new content coming up here at Yesterday's Airlines. I'm also working super hard to try and get my website transferred over to a more sustainable place where it can live forever, hopefully. So I will be working on that. But also, don't forget to check out the sponsor of this video, Northeast Diecast. Now, Northeast continue to have an amazing range of models at their site, and they've just brought in another excellent collection, which has got a ton of great US models from brands like Aero Classics and Gemini Jets and Dragon Wings. So check out Northeast Diecast because it's got a ton of really cool stuff, and there's always new models appearing there. And when you find the models you're interested in, don't forget, of course, to use the code Yesterday's Airlines 15 for a whopping great 15% off your order at Northeast Diecast. So Yesterday's Airlines 15 for 15% off your order at Northeast Diecast. But let's get on and have a look at these tiny little fighters in 400 scale from 3D Design Deck. So in my last order from 3D Design Deck, I picked up a couple of these F-18s, including this Canadian Air Force CF-188 Hornet, as the Canucks like to call their F-18s. And this model is one that comes actually with drop tanks. As you can see, let's have a look in the box. As always, the boxes from the 3D Design Deck have this sleeve with the personalized number of the model, and then you get the box and you get the foam insert. And surprise, there's no model inside there because I've already had this model out of the box. But I thought, for those that aren't familiar with 3D Design Deck packaging and boxes, I'd just show you the way that works. So nice and easy, just slips back inside, and all the boxes typically the same size regardless of the size of the aircraft. Obviously, this is one of the very smallest that you can make. And the reason this model's already out of the box is because it has already received a written review at the website yesterdaysairlines.com. So if you want to see in a lot more detail what I think of these lovely little F-18s, then check out the written review at the website. And as I said earlier on in the vid, I'm busy trying to get all this content transferred over to a new website, creating new content, transferring content, and doing a full-time job. It isn't easy, but I'm trying to get there. So check out that review and let's get on and have a bit of a closer look at the aircraft. Now, one of the big things, obviously, is the fact that these are not big things, that they're tiny, tiny little models. And you can see how small this F-18 is here next to an English 1 penny. And it really is very, very small, which actually makes it difficult to video and difficult to review. And it also means that there's a big difference to how these models look with the naked eye and how they look when you get them super close up in macro photos. Now, here is the F-18, and you can see there's a huge amount of detail which the UV printing mechanism that 3D Design Deck use has managed to get on such an insanely small model. And it looks fabulous here from the top. So much line detail, a lot more than you get on your average 400 scale 737 or A320. Looking really impressive there, I think, and particularly like the detailing around the guns, cannons, and the nose. Moving to the side, and you can see, again, plenty of detail and generally a nice shape across the board here. Now, I'm going to swip over from these calipers to my fingers because I had a minor accident and took a little bit of a chunk out of the stabilizer. But never mind. There's a huge amount of detail on the underside as well. I really like the engine intakes, and the splitter plates there look so good. And you can even see there's a bit of an arrestor hook detailing as well. So superb detailing on these F-18s. And you can see from the front, it looks very much like an F-18 Hornet does. Captured the look of the nose and the general shape of the aircraft exceptionally well. Now, it's not perfect. No molds are, and even though these are technically files I printed, obviously not molds. And there is improvements that can be made to this. And in fact, I've been speaking with Dimitri, and he has already made some improvements to this F-18 file. So the future F-18s will be even better than this one. Because when you compare to a real F-18, I do think that the undercarriage needs to be slightly higher and moved slightly further back, and he has done that. And also he is slightly decreased the size of the engines that push beyond the tailplanes there. So he's making changes to his files all the time. It is one of the great things about 3D Design Deck that they can quickly and easily make changes to improve these F-18s. Now, the other model I got is even more exciting, and I only just got this one out of the box a little bit earlier. It is a Blue Angels F-18, US Navy, their display team, another really nice box, and hopefully a really great model. Now, I've already got this one out of the box as well, because this one actually is quite unusual, and it comes with a selection of different tailplanes that you can use on the model. Now, these are not interchangeable in the sense that you have to glue one set on to the aircraft, which is fiddly, I admit. But so you've got to pick your number, and I went with number 1 for the F-18 that I have here. So here she is with the tailplanes glued on. It wasn't as tricky to get them glued in as I thought it would be, actually. They went in really easily, a tiny bit of super glue, and they fitted on. And again, looking superb in this excellent Blue Angels livery. And I guess you could get all 9, so you could have the whole display team, though that's perhaps a bit overkill for my needs. Really happy to be able to pick up this one. And again, you can see that the UV printing detail, despite that deep blue color, is really nicely visible and looks really, really good. And on the underside, you've got, obviously the US Navy markings. The printing here is super impressive, considering how insanely small these aircraft are, and the resolution on this one is slightly better, I think, than on the RCAF one that we were looking at a second ago, but it's, I think, the bolder colors make it easier to print that detail. Once again, the mold is looking really nice and the aircraft looking very good. And even though I've said that there are improvements can be made to the F-18, you don't really notice that when you're looking at these with the naked eye, because they're so tiny, and they are fabulous little models. Now, what I'm going to do next is get them up on to the turntable so my fingers are out of the way, and I usually play some music at this point, and I really feel like we should be playing Danger Zone from the Top Gun film here, but obviously I don't have the rights to that piece of music, so we're not going to do that. Here they are compared to the 3D Design Deck B2 Spirit Bomber and also a Gemini Jets Poseidon, so you can see how they compare to a 737 sized aircraft in the scale. So there we have it. That is a look around the new 3D design deck, McDonnell Douglas F-18 Hornets. I am continuously impressed by what 3D Design Deck is achieving in the scale with their unique 3D printing and then UV printing of the decals onto the aircraft. It's just amazing quality and some fabulous little aircraft that you would never have got in diecast. It really adds that extra diversity to your collection, and you're getting some really spectacular looking models for a really good price as well. So I really applaud them, and I really look forward to every month where they are releasing to see what it is they're going to be producing, because it's always a surprise. Check them out if you haven't already. It really has enlivened my collecting over the last 6 months to be getting more 3D Design Deck models, Dash 8s, CRJs, these F-18s and B-2 bombers and other unusual types. They are really doing fine work in my opinion. So thank you very much to them. I really like the products. Okay guys, well that is it for this short video this time round. Hope you enjoyed this quick look at these F-18s. Military is not something that I've collected a lot of historically, but over the last year or two, my military collection has really grown. Should do a vid on that at some point. And these fighters go really nicely with the other aircraft that have made up that new military part of my collection. Hope you've enjoyed the vid. I will see you once again soon for another one here at the channel, so don't forget to subscribe and chuck a like on. And thank you very much for watching. See you next time.